Periodic table trends, Group 1, Group 2, and Group 7 by Matteo Caniucci. Okay, this is the Group 1 of the periodic table. That is the group of alkali metals except hydrogen in this, and is component for the elements that are hydrogen with the atomic number of 1, lithium with the atomic number of 3, sodium with the atomic number of 11, potassium with the atomic number 19, rubidium with the atomic number of 37, calcium with the atomic number of 55, francium with the atomic number 87. So, as I say, this group is of metal, so they have the properties of metals that are conductor of electricity, they are shiny, but they don't have high melting point like other metals, as you can see in the table, because they are soft metals, but they have a weird reaction. An example that is if you make potassium with water is doing a reaction that make hydrogen and vigorous alkaline solution with a purple color, as you can see in that image. Okay, this is the density of the group 1, and as you can see, these metals are very little compared to other metals. The group 2 is the group of alkaline earth metals and is composed by beryllium with the atomic number of 4, magnesium with the atomic number of 12, calcium with the atomic number of 20, strontium with the atomic number of 38, barium with the atomic number 56, radium with atomic number 88. So all of these are rare elements, as beryllium that is used to do parts of the Space Telescope. Also, the group 2 have electron structures, for example beryllium, magnesium, and calcium, but all the elements of this group only have 2 electrons in the outermost, because they have similar properties, like that they have low melting point and that all of them have the same reaction with acid, like if you put calcium in acid that convert vigorous. So this is the density of the group number 2, and we can see that have a low density, but some of these elements have a similar density with group number 1, and others have a similar density with other metals as zinc. The group 7 is the group of halogens and is composed by fluorine with an atomic number of 9, chlorine with an atomic number of 17, bromine with an atomic number of 35, iodine with an atomic number of 53, and astatine with an atomic number of 85. Also, all of these elements are non-metals, so that signifies that they have a low melting point, except astatine, that have a normal boiling point. Also, these elements can be dangerous because these elements can kill all living things, but can be safety by the reason that we can kill virus and bacteria. Always, they are poor conductors of electricity, and these elements have similar reactions. For example, iron with chlorine, that is make a brown solid reaction, and this reaction is not vigorous as the other groups. Okay, this is the density of the group 3, and we can see that fluorine and chlorine have a very low density, but the other 2 elements, bromine and iodine, have a normal density, and that astatine, it's don't know the density. Okay, thank you.